The Geza campaign was premised on the assumption that the army would not intervene in street protest against Mnangagwa. Chiwenga's staunch ally Anselm Sanyatwe, now a retired lieutenant general and sports minister, was in charge of the Zimbabwe National Army as ZNA commander. Sadabina mashoko buda panguva ino tiona aiwa the news hawks ichipenengura zviitiko zvinozoratidza kuti aiwa the Zvikanada group is in fear, and each and every day they are in a bid to eliminate any threat. Ichistopa 2030 plan yavo subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Another nyora achiti ahead of the Geza March 31 mass action, Mnangagwa moved swiftly to remove Sanyatwe to prevent a possible coup. 5 days before the planned street protest, which the military was going to allow and possibly join, Mnangagwa swiftly removed Sanyatwe as ZNA army commander. Sanyatwe was simultaneously appointed as the Minister of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture, replacing Kesti Coventry, who had become president of the International Olympics Committee and moved to Switzerland, leaving a vacance. That proved to be a masterstroke by Mnangagwa and exposed Chiwenga's strategic shortcomings and dangers of procrastination, which were to cost him dearly during the year. Mnangagwa promoted to the rank of lieutenant general and then simultaneously appointed Emmanuel Matatu, a former Zebra fighter, to replace Sanyatwe as ZNA commander, another masterstroke. Matatu is a close friend to Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF commander Philip Valerius Vanda, recently retired. He was now since placed Sivanda as ZDF commander. It worked for Mnangagwa. The move was a strategic effort by Mnangagwa to consolidate power and neutralize potential military threats amid the rising political tensions and coup risk. Sivanda, his millions homeboy from Gokwe, supported him. Matatu, also from Gokwe, did as well. Besides Sivanda, Matatu were Zebra and unlikely to risk their careers for Chiwenga, a contemporary, unless there was an appealing deal on the table. Prior to that, in January 2019, Sivanda is installed a potential coup against Mnangagwa while he was visiting Russia and Eastern Europe. In his book, A Life of Sacrifice, biography of Emmerson Mnangagwa 2021, written by economist and former political MP Eddie Gross, Mnangagwa says, Chiwenga wanted to declare a state of emergency and keep him out of the country, a coup. That was a culmination of a new round of infighting between the two after the June 2018 Bulawayo grenade attack, which targeted Mnangagwa. Chiwenga was subsequently poisoned. He survived by whisker after a Chinese medical intervention. In between, there were fierce political pegs and infighting between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. It has been a deadly political battle. In his 153-page authorized biography, which covers his life from childhood to the presidency, Mnangagwa makes it clear Chiwenga wanted to seize power in January 2019, but was stopped by Sivanda. This is what happened again last year. Toma developments anoyapangwa na chipenengura the news hawks. Kuna comment section medu mzafungwa emote kulipa msobe chitu ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.